February 4th, 2020. So I recently released a video, part 14, Raspberry Pi 4 Ultimate Cooling System with Python code, extra fans, heat sinks, CanaKit. And I just had a quick update to the code on that I wanted to share with you. I ran into a bit of an issue with the CPU check code, so I'm going to post a quick video here with a few minor modifications to that code to prevent a forking and RAM consumption issue we had. So I'm going to just throw some screenshots in here, and I'll post the code as I was on hamradio.cc in the thread on this series. I'll post a link down below to that thread. You're going to want to change the CPU check code, and you're going to want to edit the crontab just a little bit so that you don't have a program that keeps loading and looping and loading and looping and burns up all your memory. I'll throw in a screenshot of the memory issue here. And I guess that should do it. I just want to do a quick update. Don't want to lead you down a bad pathway. So just some quick updates to the code. This will be part 14A. I'm sorry. This will be part 14B, Raspberry Pi 4 Ultimate Cooling System, etc., etc., etc. So thanks for watching. Sorry for the glitch, but this is what happens when you're developing code. You find mistakes, you got to go back and fix them. And I would be remiss if I didn't go back and fix them and update you on them. Thanks again for watching the Pharmacy Seeds Network. Hope you'll stay tuned.